Imagine investing billions into a construction project only to watch it crumble, both physically and financially. Today on Construction Wars, we delve into the top 10 biggest construction blunders in history. Stay with us as we uncover the costly lessons learned from these monumental mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest construction project updates in the world. Let's dive into the topic of our video. Number 10. The Lotus Riverside Complex, Shanghai. In June 2009, Shanghai's Lotus Riverside Complex faced a shocking disaster when a 13-story apartment building toppled over, miraculously remaining intact. The cause? Excavation work for an underground garage destabilized the building's foundations. The estimated financial loss was around $30 million. Imagine being a resident, witnessing your home lying flat on the ground. This incident underscores the critical importance of proper site assessment and construction planning. Number 9. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a globally recognized architectural marvel. But did you know its iconic tilt is due to a construction blunder? Built on soft ground, the tower began leaning during construction in the 12th century. Despite numerous stabilization attempts, it still leans today, serving as a testament to the importance of thorough geological surveys. The financial implications over the centuries are immeasurable, considering the continuous maintenance and stabilization efforts. Number 8. The Aon Center, Chicago. Chicago's Aon Center, originally clad in Italian Carrara marble, faced a costly oversight. The thin marble slabs began cracking and detaching, posing safety risks. The solution? Recladding the entire building with granite at an astounding cost of $80 million. This highlights the consequences of material selection without considering local climate conditions. Number 7. The Sampoong Department Store, Seoul. In 1995, Seoul's Sampoong department store tragically collapsed, claiming over 500 lives. The disaster was attributed to substandard construction practices, including the removal of support columns to install escalators, compromising the building's structural integrity. The financial loss was estimated at $216 million. This catastrophe emphasizes the dire consequences of prioritizing aesthetics over safety. Number 6. The Big Dig. Boston's Central Artery Tunnel project, known as the Big Dig, was plagued by cost overruns, delays, and design flaws. Initially estimated at $2.8 billion, the project ballooned to over $14.6 billion upon completion in 2007. Leaks, substandard materials, and even a fatal accident marred its legacy. This project serves as a cautionary tale about the complexities and risks of large-scale urban infrastructure endeavors. Number 5. The Sydney Opera House, Australia. The Sydney Opera House, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, faced significant challenges during its construction. Initially estimated to cost $7 million Australian dollars and be completed in 4 years, it ultimately took 14 years and $102 million Australian dollars. Design changes, technical difficulties, and political pressures led to the resignation of its original architect, Jörn Utzon. This project highlights the complexities of pioneering architectural designs and the importance of clear communication among stakeholders. Number 4. The HS2 project, United Kingdom. The High-Speed 2 HS2 rail project in the UK, intended to connect London with major northern cities, has been marred by massive budget overruns and delays. Initially projected at £56 billion, estimates have soared, with some reports suggesting costs could reach £106 billion. Critics argue that the benefits do not justify the immense costs, raising questions about project management and fiscal responsibility. Number 3. The Torre de David, Venezuela. The Torre de David in Caracas, Venezuela was intended to be a symbol of economic prosperity. However, due to a banking crisis in 1994, construction halted, leaving the 45-story skyscraper unfinished. It became a makeshift home for thousands of squatters lacking basic amenities. This structure stands as a stark reminder of economic volatility and its impact on urban development. The estimated financial loss is around $50 million. Number 2. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge, Washington. In 1940, the Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington, nicknamed Galloping Gertie, dramatically collapsed due to aeroelastic flutter caused by design flaws. The bridge's failure just 4 months after its opening resulted in a financial loss equivalent to approximately $1 billion today. This disaster underscores the critical importance of aerodynamic considerations in bridge design. Number 1. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill, Gulf of Mexico. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill in 2010 is considered one of the most catastrophic industrial accidents in history. An explosion on the offshore drilling rig led to the largest accidental marine oil spill, releasing millions of barrels of oil into the Gulf of Mexico. The environmental and economic impact was devastating, with BP paying over $65 billion in fines, cleanup, and settlement costs. This tragedy highlights the dire consequences of inadequate safety measures and risk management in high-stakes industries. These monumental mistakes serve as sobering reminders of the importance of meticulous planning, rigorous safety standards, and ethical practices in construction and engineering. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Construction Wars, and also let us know in the comments, what other construction projects would you like us to investigate?